Do you really know how to protect your Volkswagen's transmission? Because if you ask 10 different people, you'll get 10 different answers. Some say never touch the fluid, others say flush it every year. And then there's the myth that VW gearboxes are sealed for life. The result? Most drivers end up doing the wrong thing at the wrong time and silently destroy a perfectly good transmission. In this video, we're breaking it all down. When to change your transmission fluid, when not to, why timing matters more than mileage, and how one well-intentioned mistake could cost you thousands. This is not about internet hacks or secondhand opinions. This is about understanding what Volkswagen actually engineered and why it works only if you follow the logic built into the system. This is Das Auto Diaries. We don't sell hype. We don't repeat marketing. We tell the truth about real cars even when it's uncomfortable. If you like honest, sharp car content with zero filters, subscribe. Now let's start. Because one late transmission fluid change could turn into the most expensive mistake you ever make. What fluid does your Volkswagen actually use? Before any advice makes sense, you need one basic answer. What transmission fluid does your Volkswagen actually use? Because this single detail changes everything. Many VW owners do not realize that traditional torque converter automatics and DSG dual clutch gearboxes like the DQ200, DQ250, or DQ500 all require completely different fluids. Using the wrong one is not a small mistake. It is one of the fastest ways to damage an otherwise healthy transmission. Some older Volkswagens use conventional automatic transmission fluid, while modern DSG systems rely on very specific synthetic oils with exact friction characteristics. And here is where confusion begins. Most newer Volkswagens do not have a transmission dipstick. That makes many owners believe the gearbox is sealed for life. But sealed does not mean maintenance-free. It means Volkswagen expects precise service procedures, exact fluid types, and correct fill temperatures. You identify the correct fluid using the VIN, factory documentation or service databases, not guesswork. Transmission fluid is not interchangeable, and the gearbox will not forgive a mistake. The wrong fluid may feel fine at first, but damage builds quietly until failure appears without warning. Knowing what fluid your Volkswagen uses is not optional. It is the foundation of transmission survival. The correct service interval rule. Volkswagen transmission service is not based on opinions, habits, or internet arguments. It is based on strict intervals designed to protect longevity. DSG gearboxes, such as the DQ250 and DQ500, require fluid and filter service at around 40,000 miles or 60,000 kilometers. This interval exists for a reason. The fluid does more than lubricate. It cools clutch packs, feeds the mechatronics unit, and controls hydraulic pressure. Traditional torque converter automatics can sometimes go longer, but even then Volkswagen specifies mileage and time limits depending on the model. And time matters just as much as distance. Transmission fluid ages, even if the car is rarely driven. Heat cycles, moisture, and oxidation slowly degrade its protective ability. Many owners assume that if the gearbox feels smooth, the fluid must still be good. That assumption is dangerous. Transmission wear often begins long before symptoms appear. Ignoring service because everything feels fine only increases risk. The service interval is not there to create costs. It exists because Volkswagen engineers know exactly how long that fluid can safely do its job. Follow the interval and the transmission remains stable. Ignore it and damage accumulates silently until it is too late. DSG and dual clutch transmissions, why they're different. Volkswagen uses DSG dual clutch gearboxes across much of its lineup, and they are very different animals compared to traditional automatics. Inside a DSG, the transmission fluid is not just a lubricant. It controls the mechatronics unit, manages clutch engagement, and cools critical components under high pressure. That is why VW insists on a specific fluid type, designed with the exact friction modifiers and thermal stability those systems need. If you use a generic ATF or the wrong spec oil, you are not just risking poor performance. You are inviting clutch chatter, rough shifts, and potential mechatronics failure. DSG transmissions operate with very tight tolerances, and the wrong viscosity or chemistry quickly throws the system out of balance. Even the filters matter. Volkswagen designed its DSG filters to trap microscopic debris from the wet clutch packs. Skip the filter or use a non-original part, and the fluid degrades faster while metal particles circulate through the system. This is why the idea that DSGs are sealed for life is simply false. They are not sealed. They are just complex and require precise maintenance. When serviced correctly with the right parts and intervals, a DSG can be incredibly reliable. But if you cut corners, the failure comes fast and it is rarely cheap. Why some aftermarket fluids hurt more than help? It is easy to be tempted. A bottle on the shelf says it meets or exceeds Volkswagen specs. It promises smoother shifts, longer life, maybe even better performance. But in most cases, aftermarket transmission fluid is not a shortcut. It is a silent risk. Volkswagen transmissions are engineered around their own fluid chemistry. That means specific friction behavior, pressure response, and thermal stability that generic fluids often cannot replicate. Even if a fluid looks clean or smells fine, the additive package inside may be completely wrong for your car. Add too much friction modifier and the clutches slip. Change the pressure curve and the valve body starts to behave erratically. Over time, these subtle changes wear down the transmission in ways you cannot see until symptoms appear. And here is the kicker. The price difference between genuine VW fluid and a so-called alternative is often less than a tank of gas. But the damage that comes from using the wrong product can run into the thousands. Marketing phrases like universal or lifetime protection mean nothing if they do not match Volkswagen's actual engineering. In transmissions, originality is not about branding. It is about survival. The $6,000 mistake. It is one of the most expensive errors Volkswagen owners make, and it usually starts with good intentions. The car has been running fine for years. The transmission has never been touched, and suddenly, after 100,000 miles or more, the owner decides to change the fluid. That single decision can trigger a chain reaction of failure inside a gearbox that was still functioning. Here is why. Over time, clutch packs inside an automatic or DSG transmission wear down gradually. Tiny particles of clutch material begin to circulate in the fluid. It sounds bad, but the system adapts. That debris actually helps the clutches maintain grip. The transmission reaches a fragile internal balance. Not ideal, but functional. When you remove all that fluid at once, especially after years of wear, you also remove the very environment the gearbox had learned to operate in. Suddenly, the clutches slip, shifts become harsh or delayed, and the torque converter starts to misbehave. The car that drove smoothly yesterday now shows symptoms most people blame on the fluid change itself. But the real issue started years earlier, when maintenance was skipped or delayed. Late fluid changes do not fix the problem, they expose it. And the cost to repair what used to be working can easily reach $6,000 or more. In high-mileage transmissions, timing is everything. Flush, drain, or fill what really works. Few topics cause more confusion among VW owners than the method used to change transmission fluid. Flush, drain, or fill, the words get thrown around interchangeably, but the consequences are very different. A flush forces new fluid through the entire system, often replacing nearly all of it in one go. On a newer Volkswagen with well-documented service history, this can be acceptable, but only if done with the correct equipment by someone who knows the system and using original VW fluid. On older or high-mileage vehicles, a flush can be dangerous. It removes too much old fluid and suspended material too quickly, destabilizing clutches and valve bodies that had adjusted to that environment. A drain and fill, on the other hand, replaces only the fluid in the pan, typically 30 to 50% of the total volume. This leaves much of the system untouched, refreshes the additives, and avoids shocking the gearbox. For most high-mileage or older Volkswagens, drain and fill is the safer choice. It reduces risk, costs less, and allows gradual improvement without sudden disruption. Choosing the wrong method does more than waste money. It can do more harm than ignoring the fluid altogether. That is why understanding your transmission's condition and history matters more than following one-size-fits-all advice. Misleading fluid color. One of the most common myths in car maintenance is the belief that transmission fluid must remain bright red to be healthy. Volkswagen owners often worry when they see their fluid turning darker, but this fear is misplaced. In reality, VW transmission fluid naturally darkens over time due to heat, oxidation, and normal use. This darkening does not mean the fluid is bad or failing. It means it is doing its job. The red color in most fluids comes from dye, not from chemical performance. Judging transmission health by color is like judging engine oil by how black it is. What really matters is the fluid's ability to lubricate, cool, and maintain hydraulic stability. Chasing color can actually backfire, especially in older gearboxes. Replacing fluid too often floods the system with detergents that can disrupt seals, wear surfaces, or dislodge settled particles. Over-maintenance can be just as harmful as neglect. Focus on the right intervals and proper fluid type, not on how it looks in the bottle or on the dipstick. Because in the end, transmission life depends on chemistry, not color. Sealed for life myth. This phrase has caused more transmission failures than most drivers realize. Sealed for life sounds like you never have to touch your Volkswagen's transmission, but that's not the truth. In VW terms, sealed only means there's no dipstick to check the fluid yourself. It does not mean the fluid lasts forever. It does not mean zero maintenance. The transmission still runs hot. It still faces friction. It still wears internally like any other system. Volkswagen uses the term sealed to simplify ownership during the warranty period, not because the fluid lasts 300,000 miles. Many owners never service their transmission just because they assume sealed means safe. But those same cars often fail early, not because of bad engineering, but because of missed maintenance. If you plan to keep your car past warranty, and many VW owners do, you cannot ignore the transmission. Sealed for life is a phrase for marketing, not for mechanical reliability. Treat your fluid like any other wear item. Check the service interval, use the correct type, and don't fall for the myth. Practical strategy for VW transmission longevity. Volkswagen transmissions are engineered for longevity, but they only last when owners respect the maintenance strategy. The safest approach isn't complicated or dramatic, it's consistent. That means following the service intervals for your specific transmission type, whether it's a DSG, a traditional automatic, or a CVT. Always use Volkswagen-approved fluids because the chemistry matters more than most people realize. Avoid aggressive flushes, especially on older or high-mileage vehicles where sudden fluid replacement can disrupt internal balance. A simple drain and fill done regularly is often all your transmission needs to survive and thrive. Don't fall into the trap of chasing bright red fluid. Darkening over time is completely normal. And above all, know what kind of gearbox your car has and what it needs. Guessing leads to mistakes. But an informed approach, repeated over years, is what makes the difference between a 120,000-mile failure and a transmission that goes 300,000 miles without opening the case. What should you do if your VW is high mileage? High-mileage transmissions live in a gray zone where maintenance becomes more about risk management than clear rules. If your Volkswagen has never had its transmission fluid changed and is well past 100,000 miles, the decision gets tricky. On one hand, fresh fluid can renew the additives, improve cooling, and extend life. On the other, changing it too late can trigger failure by removing debris and fluid properties the system had quietly adapted to. That's why the symptoms matter. If your transmission is already showing signs of slipping, hard shifting, or delay, changing the fluid may not help and might actually make it worse. But if it's still smooth and consistent, a cautious drain and fill could still offer benefits. Every case is different, and that's why you need to think clearly before acting. Don't go in blind. Talk to a VW specialist, understand your transmission type, and weigh the risks honestly. Guessing is what leads to expensive mistakes. Informed decisions, even late in the game, can still save your car. So here we are. Volkswagen transmissions don't fail because they're weak. They fail because they're misunderstood. Volkswagen gearboxes don't die randomly. They fail logically, wrong fluid, wrong timing, wrong method. That's all it takes. There is no magic fix, only the correct procedure for the gearbox you actually have. When you follow the spec, the interval, and the method, the transmission stays stable. When you don't, it doesn't slowly warn you. It exposes the problem all at once. This is Das Auto Diaries. We don't repeat myths. We explain how systems really work. If this helped you understand your Volkswagen better, subscribe, check out the other deep dives on the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.